Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Can Bitcoin Cash literally explode like 3x up? Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. You are going to get easy profits. Patreon/Mind Your Crypto is the link you will find in the description box and in the comment section down below. You will get easy profits trading 200 altcoins, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates, random giveaways, spine scripts, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go to Bitcoin Cash right here. So what do we want eventually to do? We are having the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement 388 as a major resistance level. You can see it back here, and this is why we got rejected as well. What is next right now for Bitcoin Cash? Can we easily go above this target right there? Yes, we can. Can we go 3x upwards, which is a 1000 USDT Bitcoin Cash? It is, yeah, it is possible. Not within the next few days though. Okay, do not expect that Bitcoin Cash will go 3x within the next few days, but within the next few months, yeah. For example, many people ask by the end of the year, could be, right? Maybe by the end of the year, Bitcoin would be traded at 24k, and therefore there was no chance that Bitcoin Cash would be at 1000, right? But anyway, I will explain why it is very important to know that Bitcoin Cash could go literally 3x upwards. Let's see some facts, because I'm not the classical moon boy that will tell you it will 10x, 100x. Okay, I am going to state some trading facts right here. First of all, the number one trading fact that we have, okay, is of course the XABCD pattern, the butterfly pattern that we have formed, a very bullish pattern that we formed back from the very first of, let's see the date exactly because I forgot, 19 July 2021, right? And we connect the tops and the bottoms, and you can see that this is a nice butterfly right here that we are having, and of course this is a bullish pattern. Okay, this is a very bullish pattern that we start ourselves, we start our higher highs, higher lows from here, and we eventually get even higher than the 800 USDT. This is what it suggests. Actually, not always. Okay, not always. We could stop at the 0.5, for example, Fibonacci retracement, which is the 531. We could stop at the 600. We could stop maybe at the 687. We are going to see eventually all of this stuff. Do not worry about that. Okay, so first of all, we got the butterfly pattern. Secondly, as you already know many times from this video, we got bottom tweezers on the monthly frame. And why we go crazy with bottom tweezers on the monthly? Because bottom tweezers on the monthly, it is like having let's say a chance to go like 70% up or 80% up. The higher the time frame you see the bottom tweezers, the better it is. Okay, the longer it takes to go into a profit target, but the better it is, the more safe it is, and the higher the profit target will be. Okay, so you lose something, which is the time, and you gain something, which is the percentage of profits that you take. Alright, so therefore you have more percentage and a little bit later, because you see it on the monthly frame. That means it could take few weeks to 1, 2, 3, 4 months to get, for example, into an impulsive wave mode. Okay, so literally for BCH against USDT, this is the case. We got bottom tweezers as well. Okay, on the monthly frame, you will see that we got bottom tweezers right here, and of course, BCH is going on the monthly for so long into the stochastic RSI oversold situation. It has gone into an oversold on the Fisher transform on the monthly frame. I repeat that. So yes, the time will come and this altcoin will just explode. Okay, like we had this massive correction going on from the 1005 600 Tether USD, we had a massive correction to the downside. It will be the time that it will explode. Okay, time is coming for everything. When you just having an impulsive wave, you expect the altcoin to correct very much, and when you have a huge correction going on, like 86% and more, then you expect the altcoin to pump. Okay, so right here we are going to BCH against Bitcoin chart, and this is where I want to stay a little bit. Okay, BCH against Bitcoin chart right here. If we look on the monthly frame for BCH against Bitcoin chart and we take a little bit lower right here, we zoom out, then you can clearly see that we have and we are holding a round bottom pattern. Okay, we will be holding a round bottom pattern which suggests that we are going to get it right here and then eventually pump up. I do not know how much it will be the pump. Of course, the pump could be a little bit higher like this one, 145%, could be 200%. I really hope that by the time BCH against Bitcoin chart will pump, Bitcoin will pump as well, because this will help Bitcoin Cash against USDT pair to grow even more. Okay, I really hope that Bitcoin will be crazy stable, but here what we have is a monthly bullish RSI divergence. Okay, you can see that monthly bullish RSI divergence right here, higher lows with the stochastic RSI, higher lows with the Fisher transform. Everything is looking like we will literally explode. Can we do an 87% within 1 month? Could be the case. Could be the case that we take a little bit higher, actually a little bit later, it will just pump up a little bit later into the next 2 to 3 months, right? It could be the case that it goes slower than an 87% pump. However, it will pump, and it will pump crazy. I'm expecting the lower target for BCH against Bitcoin chart throughout the next few weeks to be a 100%. Okay, so that would mean that if we take the Fibonacci from this top to this bottom, you can see that it is the 0.05 Fibonacci retracement, which is the 0.01801. Okay, so you can see that I'm expecting the less to go is this target right here. Okay, the less to go it is this target 0.01801. Alright, so therefore for Bitcoin Cash this would be the case right here for me, and of course this is the lowest point that it will get. You have a monthly bullish RSI divergence. We have seen exploding when we see, for example, a daily bullish RSI divergence or a weekly, we have seen altcoins exploding like 100%, right? So here we have a monthly bullish RSI. So the lowest I'm expecting is to go above the 0.1801 Satoshi. Okay, so right here we are going back to Bitcoin Cash, and what I want to tell you is that we got the butterfly, we got the bottom tweezers, we got everything we need. So Feds will just pump up this coin, they will eventually see all of this stuff, do not worry about that, and they will just pump this coin up. Eventually though, what are we going to do is that, are we going to have Bitcoin dropping down? Maybe, because I'm expecting a bad year for Bitcoin. I have updated all these videos for Bitcoin. I'm expecting a bad year in 2022. I'm not sure if Bitcoin will be going massively towards the 50k. If that's the case, then I am just completely telling you right now, if Bitcoin goes above 50k and it goes to 69k, I'm just telling you from now that Bitcoin Cash can literally 3x all the way up to 1000 Tether USD. I'm just telling you from now. Okay, if Bitcoin can do that, then yes. If Bitcoin cannot do that, then Bitcoin Cash might be stacking at the 531 USDT. Okay, which is a very nice 54%, but nothing so much. Okay, it is a 54%, which is absolutely crazy actually, but it isn't like we haven't seen those things. Maybe at 73%, if Bitcoin has a very, very bad run rate there, going below 30Ks, then expect that Bitcoin Cash would be going just a little bit higher, maybe at 467 USDT and 531. Okay, if that's the case, then yes, because as much as BCH actually against Bitcoin will pump, it won't make it to get BCH all the way up to the, for example, the 1000 Tether USD. Okay, but expect surely a 50% and more. And of course, if Bitcoin goes higher or becomes stable, I would prefer Bitcoin to stabilize a little bit sideways around 40s to 50Ks. Okay, if that's the case, then Bitcoin Cash would literally go to 687, 688 Tether USD. Okay, so we are not talking about the short term. You do not want to see the short term on Bitcoin Cash. Okay, if you want me to, I can daily update with the short term targets right here, but forget about the short term. In the short term, you might be going a little bit down, okay, correcting, then you go upwards again. Forget about it. All you want to do is to look now for the midterm, and this is the most exciting part right here, is that if you forget about the short term, you're not getting anxious, you're not getting an anxiety of seeing, oh, what this altcoin is going to do in the next few hours, I'm stuck, for example, or I do not trust it. Okay, just leave your mind right there out of BCH. I do not know why many people skip BCH. I really do not. Not many people talk about it while it has so crazy bullish indicators right there, many crazy bullish indicators over the next few months. I literally expect maybe it will be a sudden pump, maybe we will be having a sudden pump. I do not know about it. Anyway, thank you for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.